beauty queen, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Elita. Today I'm gonna be doing an afro natural hairstyle. This style is very simple, but the braid pattern is very significant. You're gonna braid two hair in the front. That is gonna be the leaf out. You're gonna braid one. You have the leaf out in the middle. You have a little leaf out on the side, and you have a leaf out braids in the back also. After that, I'm gonna moisturize my hair and then start crocheting. The hair that we're gonna be using today is the sprinkler twist up expression hair. The hair pack is, I only used one pack of hair and it was only $5, y'all. I'm gonna put the link in the description box, and I'm just gonna crochet my hair. I first of all started off by doing just one knot, but then as you know, I crochet more, I increased the knot, so I did like 2 knots. But yeah, it's really simple, y'all. I hope this is helpful, but just follow the way I'm just crocheting.